Good morning, failure!
5 more minutes?
Snooze is just a nap with extra paperwork.
Ever wanted to create those viral stick figure videos but have zero drawing skills? Don't worry, you don't need an art degree for this. If you're anything like me, you've probably watched a bunch of tutorials thinking, this is it, I'm about to become the Picasso of stick figures. Then boom, you find out they're all using Adobe Express, and honestly, the results aren't that great. But here's the good news. I've spent way too many late nights and cups of coffee figuring out a better way. And guess what? It's not rocket science. So stick around, pun intended. And if this helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Let's dive in. To create a full-fledged sticky animation video using AI, I will follow some steps. First, I will generate the story or script. Then I will create the storyboard or scene description using ChatGPT. Next, I will generate the character images and all other images using Google Nano Banana, as it is the most powerful image generator and editor at this moment. And in the end, I will generate the video using Google Veo 3. Okay, let's create our video. First, I will generate the script. Instead of creating content on multiple platforms, I am going to use the Chat LLM team. Here we will get access to ChatGPT along with other LLM models, Google Nano Banana, and even Google Veo 3. However, if you want to use multiple platforms, then you can go ahead. The process is the same in both methods. Okay, this is the Chat LLM interface. Here, at the top of the page, you will find all the LLM models. You can select anyone from here. I am selecting the GPT-5 model. Now, come to the prompt box. Before asking for the script, we have to enter a detailed prompt so that the AI can understand what exactly we want. I am entering a ready prompt. You will get all the prompts and tools links in the description. After entering the prompt, hit the send button. And here it is, we have got the story within a few seconds. It basically generates 2 scripts. Both of them are really good prompts. Alright, our story is ready. Now we have to generate the images for every scene. So we need detailed prompts for every scene. To do that, select one of them and copy the title. Paste it into the prompt box. Now I am entering another ready prompt. This prompt is designed to help us create full character descriptions, including details like gender, head shape, hairstyle, clothing, facial expressions, and more. After entering the prompt, hit the send button. After a few seconds, you will get all the character descriptions. These are super important because they allow us to create accurate AI-generated images and ensure that character designs stay consistent throughout the video. And here it is, the prompts are ready. Okay, our prompts are ready. I will copy all the prompts and keep them in a doc file. Once done, we have to move forward to the image generation. To generate the images, click on the image button under the prompt box. The image generation pop-up will appear. First of all, we have to select the image generation model. You will find a bunch of options. For the first image, I am selecting the Imagen 4 model. Once the image generation model is selected, select the number of images you want to generate. For example, I am selecting 2. Next, we have to enter the prompt. Now before generating the images, I will generate the character images. So, I am copying the first character prompt. Just copy and paste the prompt. Once done, select the aspect ratio. I am selecting 16:9. If you are making videos for Instagram or TikTok, then select 9:16. After selecting the aspect ratio, you can enter negative prompts and a custom seed. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. It will take some time to generate the image. So, I am fast forwarding the video. And here it is. The images are ready. Look at the quality of the images. Both of the images are perfect for content. Now you just have to download the best image. Now in the same method, generate all the character and props images. Alright, our characters are ready. Now we have to create the scene images. To do that, I will use Google Nano Banana and edit the image for every scene. After selecting Google Nano Banana as the image generation model, set the number of images you want to generate. Next, we have to upload the reference images. I am uploading the images that I just created using Google Imagen 4. Once the image is uploaded, come to the prompt box. Enter the first scene prompt from the doc file. After entering the prompt, hit the generate button, and then wait for some time. And here, the images are ready. Now look at the images. The characters and background are perfect. I like it. Now let's create the second scene image. After selecting the number of images, upload the character and props images and then enter the second scene prompts. Once done, hit the generate button. And here it is, the second scene images are ready. They are great. Now in the same method, generate images for all other scenes and then save them to your device. If you face any issue, don't forget to tweak them or regenerate the image. Okay, all of our images are ready. Now it's time to generate the video clips for every scene. To generate high-quality video clips, we need detailed prompts. I will use GPT-5 to generate detailed prompts for every scene. To do that, I am entering this ready prompt and then the scene description of our video. After a few seconds later, I got the prompts. Now, you can generate the videos using Veo 3. To do that, simply upload the scene image and then enter the prompt. Once done, hit the send button and then wait for some time. It will take around 2 minutes to generate the video. I am fast forwarding the video. And here it is. The video is ready. Let's have a look.
Good morning, failure!
5 more minutes?
This is a perfect video clip. The character movement and the lip sync are perfect. The sound effect is just perfect. So, now in this method, you can create all the video clips and then assemble them with a video editor to create the final video. Before going over there, I'm going to share another method of creating sticky animation using only Veo 3. To do that, first of all, generate the script or story. I am generating a new story using GPT-5 model. Once the story is ready, I will generate the detailed prompt for Veo 3. To do that, I will use this prompt guide. This is basically a prompt training guide to generate consistent character videos using Veo 3. After entering the prompt, we have to enter the full script. After entering the script, hit the send button. You can see that GPT-5 is now generating the Veo 3 prompts. Okay, all of our prompts are ready. Now let's create the video using Veo 3. I am clicking on the More button from here. You will find a bunch of options. Select the Video Gen tool. This is the video generation pop-up. Now first, we have to select the video generation model. You will find several popular video generation models in one place. I will select the Veo 3 model. After selecting the video generation model, select the mode. I am selecting standard. Once done, enter the very first prompt. Next, you can set the aspect ratio and other settings. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. Now, we have to wait for some time. So, I am fast forwarding this part. And here it is. The video is ready.
Good morning, failure!
5 more minutes. 5 more minutes.
And you can see that it generates a perfect sticky animation video with playful humor. Now, in the same method, you can generate the other scenes. Let's create the second video clip. After coming to the video generation interface, I am selecting the video generation model and mode. Then I am entering the second scene prompt. Next, I will set all other settings and then hit the generate button. After waiting for some time, I got this result.
Snooze is just a nap with extra paperwork.
And you can see that. This is really amazing. The character and scene remain consistent. So, in this method, you can generate amazing consistent character sticky animation videos using Veo 3. Alright, now we know how to generate viral sticky animation videos using Google Nano Banana and Veo 3. And you can access both Nano Banana and Veo 3 on ChatLLM Team with plenty of other AI tools. So don't forget to try this tool. Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Before that, I'd love to hear about your experience creating viral AI animation videos using AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!